What's going on, guys? That first shot there is Katowice Airport here in Poland, and this here is my hotel room. I'll show you around here in just a second. But earlier today, May 24th, I flew in from Chicago to Warsaw. I was supposed to have a 3-hour layover in Warsaw, ended up only being about 50 minutes because my flight got delayed. And then we flew from Warsaw to Katowice, which is where I'm at right now. I'm only here for a day, and then I'm going to another smaller town, which I'll show in the next video. But here is the hotel. So you walk in there, there's a bathroom there, TV. It's actually there's a USB port right here, so you don't even have to use the outlet converter. I have all my stuff on the bed here. But yeah, it's a nice hotel. So I'm only going to be here for one night in Katowice, and I'm about to get the local currency. I don't even know what it is, but I'm going to get some Polish money, and I'm going to do that at the airport, assuming hopefully I can get some there. So let's go over there. It was a little loud, so I don't know if you'll be able to hear me very well. I'm walking to the airport to get the local currency. And the good thing about where we're staying is it is right back there. The airport here, and Katowice is right here, so it's like 5 minutes away. So I'm gonna get some of the currency, see what that looks like, and then we'll see what I get to after that. Okay, that didn't work because nobody in there knew how to speak English but me, which I guess makes sense. So I'm gonna have to figure out another way to get the local currency. So I'm gonna ask the lady at the hotel here if she knows any ATM spots or if they have one in here, because I know she can speak English. Got to the town in Poland at a grocery store. Pretty cool. Okay, so we've made it to the town that I'm staying in for the next several days, and it is currently raining, of course. But I'm on my way to the bank. The last clip you saw, I was at a grocery store, a small grocery store. It'd be like the equivalent of a Dollar General in the United States. And I got this Coke here, and I also got a thing of water. This Coke and the giant, like, it's probably not a gallon, or it's probably more than a gallon. It's probably like a few liters. Was less than $1. I got the Coke and this, or the Coke and the water for like $2.11 USD. So prices aren't too bad, but I'm on my way to the bank. I'm gonna try to find some food somewhere. So that's the plan for right now. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me very well, but I was able to get money. This is $14 US worth. So 150, 20, and a 10, and some coins. Okay, so I don't know how well you could hear me in that last clip, but I got $40 US worth of the local currency, which is $92. So it's about, the exchange rate is about 4 to 1. So for every $1 US you have 4 of the Polish money. So right now I'm on my way to some kebab place, and okay. But yeah, right now I'm going to some kebab place to get some food. I have not eaten anything today, and it is almost 7 p.m. Here in this town, so I will catch up with you when I get the kebabs. Okay, just got some kebabs. So I've never had a kebab before, so I have no idea how they taste, but people in there spoke English, so that was a plus, because I had no clue what the menu said, and my translating app, I wasn't connected to Wi-Fi, so it wouldn't work. But got the kebabs, so we'll see how they taste, and that's probably where I'm going to end this video, so I will pick up with you guys in the next one.